might be going psycho. Lil' mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a nose.
It's your girl AngelJanice, and I am back with another video today. Today I am doing a review video on the wig I got on my head right now. This is the Outre Penny Quick Weave 26 inch. Of course it ain't 26 inches no more. Yeah, I'm gonna insert a clip of how the wig came, how it looked on me when I first initially tried it on, straight out the pack. I just didn't like it. I didn't care for it. It came looking kind of like a little long jerry curl. Didn't have enough volume for me. So, of course, I chopped it off. And I like it way better this way. I think it looks way more voluminous. But now I cut it basically armpit length. It looks way better on me now. I like big ass hair. I like big curly hair. Put it like that. So if you want something to look, you want that big curly hair, go ahead and cut yours too. But if you want something lightweight, thinner, or whatever, keep it the length that it is when you get it out the pack. It's a half cap. You know, a little comb come in the front and there's a little comb in the back. So of course you're gonna need your bobby pins on the side. But the way you get it is nothing how I have it right now. It's not like I have it right now at allperiod.com. But I like this wig. It's really cute, very natural. You could definitely wear this in the summer and not be hot as fuck because it's so lightweight. Like, it's not really thick hair. I still like my Outre Batik, Peruvian Batik half wig better than this one. But this one just grew on me when I cut it. This is the stock card for the model. I got it in a 1B. I'll be having a giveaway come up soon. It'll be posted on my channel within the next week, so stay tuned for that, y'all. You don't want to miss my giveaway coming up soon. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more wig reviews and stuff like that on my channel. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.